moisturize and prep, and now I'm going to use my Illuminati base. So this is from the brand Mars Cosmetics. This is an amazing moisturizer as well, and amazing Illuminati base. It just makes shine to your skin. No, not make shine, it just gives shine to your skin, and it just blends into your skin. It is good for oily to combination skin. Nowadays you can definitely use this because it is very, you know, lightweight and very skin like. It does not have that chunky particles, so you can definitely use this beneath the foundation, or you can definitely mix it with the foundation if you want to, because it is quite yellow undertone, so you can definitely use this. And I'm the shade number Gold Beam 01, so you can definitely check this one. And I love the packaging. It is such an amazing Illuminati base. So next for my foundation, I'm going to use this Maclo foundation, and this is their high coverage foundation, and I'm the shade number let me check, and I'm the shade number 04 Ivory. So this is very good foundation. It is very high coverage. I really like the foundation. It is very skin like. If when you apply you know, powder on your skin, then it will look you know, skin like. Otherwise it will look like that you have something on your skin. Use a very tiny amount of this one because it will goes a very long way. So yeah, I love the packaging. Packaging is like so good, you can definitely see. And I'm just going to use one pump because it is very high coverage. So my foundation is done, and it just clings on my dry patches because I do have a dry skin. I'm using a matte foundation, that is why it just clings everywhere, so I'm going to avoid that. So next for my concealer, I'm going to use this D4 Derma base, and it is amazing concealer. It is so good, and I just already hit pan on this one. So I'm just going to warm it up and going to use this right here under my eyes because it is really good. It is very high coverage. It is good for bridals, but I haven't used this product on my bridal day, but still it is really good. If you want something high coverage, you can definitely check this one. It is really good. Concealer, I'm going to use this brush. This is from Cuffs and Lashes, and this is 5011 brush, and this is very good brush for your concealer. If you need to blend your concealer seamlessly, you can definitely go with this brush. I'm going to apply this concealer over here, and on my natural areas. I'm going to blend with the same brush. So my concealer is done, and for my compact powder, I'm going to use this Oriflame compact powder. This is really good. This is Madness of Matte, and yeah, so I'm going to use this compact powder to set my face. And for my more compact powders, I'm going to use this Mion one, and I'm going to use this half and half one because I need my base to be flawless. Okay, so that is why I'm using 3 compact powders. So this is how my second eye looks like. So let's move on to this eye, and let me zoom in a little bit more. I think this much is enough, right? So for my eyeshadows, I use these 3 eyeshadows. This is the Pretty Little Things, and this is the Mars Skillet Eyes eyeshadow palette, and this is the Color Broad eyeshadow palette. So these are really good eyeshadows, so I really love them. These are highly recommend from my site. So first I'm going to use the Pretty Little Things eyeshadow palette, this one. And for my brush, I'm going to use this Mars pencil brush, and this is the E102 brush, and this is a really good brush with very good quality bristles. You can definitely check this one if you are interested to purchase some good eye makeup brushes and good face brushes. You can definitely go with Mars Cosmetics brushes. They are really good. First I'm going to use this color right here. Look at the shades, they are really pigmented, and I'm just going to apply this color right here. Next I'm going to take that brown color and I'm going to tap it right here. Next I'm going to cut my crease with MAC concealer because it is very high coverage concealer and I need my cut crease to be high coverage to get that popping effect. And next I'm going to use a high coverage compact powder to set my concealer, and just always use a matte compact powder to set your concealer. So again I'm going to take this brown color, I'm just going to apply this brown color over here, just to create that. So first I'm going to use this color right here. It's a kind of a pink dark mauve color. I'm just going to use this color right here, middle of my eyelid. And next on my outer edge I'm going to use this color, this one. Going to place it right here between the brown and the pink. Next I'm going to use this palette and I'm going to use a pink purple color on my lower lash line. I'm going to use this color. Now I'm going to use the black shade. I'm going to apply just right beneath my waterline. Next I'm going to apply this kajal from Faces Canada. So for my glitter I'm going to use this Mars Cosmetics glitter, and this is in the shade number 01, and I'm going to use this color right here, like this color right here. These glitters are really good. These glitters are really fine made. It looks gorgeous, it blends like dream and does not stick on one place, so that is why it is good. You can definitely check this one. Okay, I'm going to apply this glitter on the edges of my eyeliner, not on the inner part. I'm just going to apply this glitter on my outer area. And next I'm going to use this mascara. This is from again Mars Cosmetics, because you know I love Mars Cosmetics. That is why I'm using a lot of products from Mars Cosmetics. Obviously this video is not sponsored. Yes, Mars Cosmetics is like very affordable, of good quality, so you can check it out if you are thinking to purchase such a good cosmetics. So you can definitely check out Mars Cosmetics because they're killing their game in makeup. And next I'm going to apply these eyelashes, and these are from Eye Magic, and I really love these eyelashes. These are really good, so you can also check this one. Next I'm going to fill up my eyebrows. First I always comb my eyebrows, and then I'm going to use this KUO brushes, and I'm just going to take a black shade. So my eye makeup is done. Now let's move on to face makeup. So for my bronzer, I'm going to use this Mars Cosmetics palette, and it does contain blushes, eyeshadows, glitters, and highlighter as well. So I'm just going to use this shade to bronze up my skin. I'm going to use this palette, and I'm going to use these colors. Okay, next for my highlighter, I'm going to use this Glam 21 highlighter. This is an amazing highlighter. Okay, so for my highlighter brush, I'm going to use this fluffy blending brush. I'm going to use this white potion. For my lipstick, I'm going to use this LA18 liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade number Lilac Galaxy. So this is the final finished look. I really love my makeup base because I do use a lot of compact powders. That is why my makeup just melts into my skin. If your foundation gets cracky, but make sure to use a good compact powder and a good loose powder. So that is why my makeup is looking flawless. Like, I really love my makeup. So, and let me know into the comment box that you like this look, and if you want me to create more and more makeup looks, then please let me know into the comment box. So yeah, you know, this highlighter is really gorgeous. Yes, this highlighter is really gorgeous. So yeah, till then, take care. Bye bye.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.